one phone, you got one phone that you might work on, and one phone that you use as personal and private. Make sure you get good at putting your handle, your let's say it like this. Get your title. Make sure you got an SEO title, okay? Make sure you got your SEO keywords, and make sure you got your hashtags. When you are doing TikTok, you have to put that on the screen and slide it off. Shrink it down and slide it off so it's invisible, and it's strictly just for the algorithm to read it. Then go back and just put your title on, okay? And then once you get your title on, now you're ready to take all of the content that you put together and put into the description. You got your description, you got your keywords, you got your hashtags, then you setting your location. And then after you've done all of that, if you added a trending sound, very good. Now you can even do trending sounds on YouTube, all right? Once you get all of that done, you have the location. You need to make sure under settings, it's two things I don't want you to miss. Make sure your data saver is off, and make sure your high quality option is on. And that's under the settings on TikTok. Now, I'm not sure about how YouTube sets theirs up as far as data saver versus high quality option. But people that use YouTube much more regular than I, and much more adverse in it than they can tell you. So, nevertheless, we also can Google that if we want to know the answer. But make sure you have everything in place, because the tips, they help you when you're doing this stuff. It's like somebody knew, which way do I go? Where do I start? I want to be good at this. I'm not wasting my time. I want to be very good at marketing myself. So what I will always say, whatever the niche you are in, whatever the speech you may even give, maybe it's just motivational. It may not even be anything like a artist or a singer, or I say artist, I'm talking about a visual artist. Find out what it is that you're going to brand, okay? I will always start with, if I'm an author and I'm going to try to brand myself as an author, I'm going to make sure my research is centered around the niche. That way, when I go to ChatGPT or with a DeepSeek, and I'm putting in, say, a subject on a particular day, idea that I may have, I have everything that's related to that. And then I go at it from that angle. Now, if it's just general marketing and advertising, that's a broader subject. You still got to bring it down, bring it, into focus, specifically what message you're trying to drive. Let's say you're trying to sell a remote control. Now, everything need to be centered around what the remote can do. What's the value to the customer, okay? These are things that you must master when you're trying to sell something. And I'm hoping that those ideas help you. I hope you like and you share the content, make a comment, and we can do more. We can do a series if we need to. So you enjoy the rest of your day, or if it's night in your country, have a good night.